Me come tell them say figure out the black ribbon. Tell them say at this point is a perfect documented case. I'm me encourage Petergaye this morning for my life to click her own life and cut out the middleman, and that's why them vex with me. You never know, Raja?
Yeah.
To me tell them cut out the middleman, and that's why they hot them in no not they come up say they need to cuss me, you know, and tell Petergaye if you cut out the middleman.
So what is the problem if you say cut out them? That is what me I say. Is that the people them fucking confused or something?
You
the
should
people
have
them
said
confused.
She shouldn't have said that.
We are blame the victim. We stop blame the victim. We say go to the police station. We still a blood clot cuss. At this point, we just want to cuss.
But we were never blaming the victim.
Just because me come tell Petergaye this morning if you click in one live because that right now we will come listen because we love mix up and cut out the middleman and the side man and that about them if you don't know. Who dare
everybody live?
Yep, who dare me if you come tell Petergaye if you cut them out of the pie? And that Petergaye come cut them out. Petergaye right now, Petergaye them give you a big platform. If you come on your platform by yourself right now, a viral gun, girl, cut out the middleman and the side man, Petergaye.
And get your own money for your own damn story.
Problem.
A true man,
yes,
get your
about that, Raja.
own story. She not no sense neither if she real.
She wants to come by herself to make more.
You make more, cut out the middleman, not true, and the side man.
The money now have to split up. Come tell your own fucking story yourself. Come on your page and tell your own story and make you people and send you a lion and them something there.
Come Petergaye, come. Cut out the middleman and the side man them.
You ask them for your lion per scar. Come on, man.
Per scar. Brit for good or Brit for lion per scar.
True, because you have so much proof every time.
Raja, wait, guys. Raja.
Yeah.
Make we encourage Petergaye to cut out the middleman and the side man. Petergaye, cut them out. You can make more on your own.
Yes, Petergaye, cut them out and I need them irrelevant.
I don't need them, man.
Make them irrelevant. You will go viral.
We give followers make you make money. Come.
We follow you.
We follow you, Petergaye. Cut out the middleman and the side man. Oh.
Make TikTok and Sky go about them business and come tell your story yourself.
Petergaye, this is a chance to turn you into a ranker overnight. Come, Petergaye, come.
Sure. We have whole heap people I give you. Every time you come, matter of fact, you can become a permanent beggar like everybody else. When you come
Petergaye, I'm here give you the first lion. Petergaye, come.
Only thing
come on your own platform.
Come, Petergaye, come. I beg you.
Petergaye, click your own live. Cut out the middleman, no.
I beg you.
Remember, say nobody never say blame them face and blame them as supporters. Nobody never
say and Petergaye, you don't have to show your face.
Blame them
If you cut them out, you don't have to show your face.
Petergaye, cut them out, Petergaye, I will accept you.
She not smart for chewing because the only thing she have to do, I just cut out everybody. She have to do run a blame them, pan them, and run a TikTok liar, come beg every day. And then say every time somebody no want throw some remember the grape, guys. Remember the grape.
Put the camera up on your stomach, my girl, and come.
Come ball for yourself, Petergaye.
See her here, Roger. See her here. Come here quick, Roger. See her here. Really? She said really. So make sure talk.
Yes, Petergaye.
Somebody send a message.
Come tell us, Petergaye. Come, Petergaye.
I see this too. Yeah, I see. Come, Petergaye. Come on.
Come, Petergaye.
All right, Petergaye. No, hold up. Calm down. Petergaye, I'm Roger. I would like to talk to you. I'm going to take everybody down. I'll split all the justice. I'll listen to your story. I'll ask you a few questions, and that's all. If you wish, you can come up. I'll take everybody down right now. No distractions. Nobody here to ask you any unnecessary questions. Not coming in the box. So where you want to talk to me then?
We want to believe you.
You want me to call you? So how am I going to call you? How am I going to call you, Petergaye? How am I going to call you? Because, all right, me personally, if you can call me and let me understand, they know I'm credible. You understand me? They know I'm credible. So when you come to me and if you call me and we talk and I can understand, it would be great because they know I'm credible. People want to stop saying this or say that. I don't want that. I am talking to Petergaye. not the chat. You coming, Petergaye? Inbox here? Okay. Just drop your note. Just, how am I going to inbox? Or what are you going to talk to me by messages? Or are you going to talk to me by text messages? Or are you going to talk to me by text messages or verbally? Because I would prefer verbal conversation. I would prefer verbal conversation.
Almost finished, pretty girl.
Inbox you and I will give you. Will give me just drop it in my inbox. I don't have to inbox you. Just drop the number. Drop the number in my inbox and tell me when you drop it. I'll just get it. Just drop it in my inbox. It's open. Okay, verbal conversation will be okay. Okay, no problem. Just drop your number in my inbox. Drop your number in my inbox. And I'll just save it. And contact you.
I came down because I thought she was going to come up. Petergaye, I promise I will support you. This is Queenbella. I will support you.
Roger, Luke and Lisa Anna coming.
Yeah, I see them.
Okay.
No, I remember I'm a smart person, you know. Like, I'm talking to Petergaye because I want her to talk to me. Because if she can talk to me and she can show me that you guys know that I'm credible. You guys
and I will believe what Roger said.
So if I can see, I can understand where she's coming from, then that would be better.
Clear up the misconception.
Did you drop the number? Petergaye, did you drop the number in that? Let me check. No, Petergaye, I haven't seen the number. Did you drop the number? Petergaye, when Petergaye tell me. Did you drop the number, Petergaye?
Anyway, yes, Bella.
Sweep, Roger, sweep. I said she sweep.
Petergaye, you can go on your own life. We are come over. Pull your life. We are come. We are come over, Petergaye.
To ask her saints before she can march in.
What's that? She dropped it?
She have to ask her people before she can do that.
Let's not do that because then you're going to hear so we are bully her.
No, don't say that. That's the thing. You don't want to make assumptions.
So you don't want to make it seem like them we are bullying her.
Answer, don't say she's going to. Because we want it to be a case where it turns her away from coming.
No.
You understand? Petergaye, did you drop the number? I'm still waiting. Did you drop the contact number that I should contact you on? I just want to know.
If you read the comments, you would hear what them say. The people them say, please.
Me not repeat them though.
Okay.
Because me not really able. So nobody come take me on. So.
Remember your back, Brad, my love.
I want back on one truck. Yes, Bella. So what we eating today, Bella? I would love some more for dinner.
Me nah say nothing more because you know, since I me one day ad for that's why me shut up.
That's what me ask you.
When Roger want I mean remember some
This person name,
respect, you know, me come out of the box out of respect and I mean them ad for.
Charismatic says she want to say something. I don't know what she wants.
As soon as Roger says something, I was the first one to jump down out of the box. And the only one to come out of the box and I the mathematic section.
Brit,
Yeah, yes,
you have moderator? The girl, the person charismatic, you can have them and make hear what them say and say they want to say something.
I just trying to do some nago. Overstep my ad nobody women really. Bella, what you think?
I mean, we open for anything. If them be disrespectful, they just take them down. We're not like the others.
I mean, I remember say we are bad people over here, say, you know. Roger Mouth alone. Roger Mouth alone blast them.
Brit mouth. Some of them know me Brit a go on so. And Brit knows I'm out bad like gunshot. True.
No bother with that. Don't say them something. Roger sweep, you know?
My shoes. Roger can't go sell shoes down a town.
That's why.
Now what? Barefoot at
That's why big girls say all in worship are shoes. I'm not charismatic that.
But listen, in life you like what you like. If a shoes you like, a shoes you like.
Man. This person still a comment.
Oh,
Charismatic.
let me see something.
You have e-cup, the pizza chutney.
I tell her, if I send a request, but I'm not sending.
Send the request of charismatic.
Me say me want jump out of the box and the people them are cussing me. Me can't bother.
See there, charismatic shams and say nah be rude. Just send the request.
She have to send it.
Looking already?
That's a beautiful view of Raja apartment. What space?
And I'm not start sending nothing. I'm not start show the rest of it.
House nice and clean though.
Always.
We full of decor though, decor.
If you go buy one shoes rack though. That shoes, them shoes upon the ground now go work.
Sharon, I'm gonna take it on for 1 second so I can add her.
Now, outside.
The man in dog and bird.
I'm not fucking with you, bro.
Imagine if
Send back the
much
request
blame.
again, honey.
Raja need two pitney them a fight.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. I'm not being rude. You know, I come do that. May I say, this Petergaye thingy, why she wants to inbox Roger privately when everybody is here on the line?
That's okay.
But really, we really want to hear her publicly because everybody talk about the situation publicly. So I really don't see.
I really don't see. You know, I wouldn't come and lie. So if she wanna come talk to me privately, fine. I'm credible. But she said she wanna talk to me. I have to inbox here. Just drop the number. I'm just call it. It's that simple. Why?
Unless when you talk to her, Raj, just screen record your talk and then we can.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I don't need to
But
do that.
him can do him one.
No, but that's not nice. Just talk to her
Do you
regular.
think I'm stupid? Do I look like a stupid person? Do I look like a stupid person? Please, just don't tutor me. I am not stupid. I'm far from that. And I cannot easily be set up. You can't call me and set me up. No, I'm not stupid. I cannot easily be set up.
All right, Raj.
I told her to drop her number, I will call her. That's it.
People not to be careful, they not to be smart.
Because we're not coming and make these speculations. If she wanted to call me, she won't.
All right,
You know you're supposed to know that I'm not stupid. Please. Mellow,
all right,
thank you. By this chance, you're supposed to know that I'm not stupid by now.
Exactly.
So you're supposed to know that I cannot easily be manipulated. I cannot be tricked. I cannot be played into certain things. No, that's not me. They can't do that to me. I'm not stupid. I'm far from that.
And tell you what, Roger, you say if she ever talk to you and you say once you say Bell, I saw it go, automatically me.
And I know you guys would believe me because you see that I'm credible. You understand? So if she wants to come talk to me, she can. Make sure come. Why y'all
That is not a question.
To turn her away? Stop doing that. Y'all are not controlling the narrative. It's about
And then make it seem for real like we are bullying her. Like come on.
when that makes you feel like we're bullying her. Stop it.
Don't you notice, Roger, when you said the action, I made the first one jumping up because I wanted her to come up, so I came down.
Me say Bella drop off. Me think I something wrong.
No, because Roger, I'm all for her to come up.
But
So
we've
I
been
just come
silent.
down
We've been silent.
because I want to give her that comfort space. You understand?
We would have come down. Once
No,
you come up, we are going to come
No,
down.
me
All of
come
us are
down.
going to
I
come
remember
down.
seeing me them at final, so that's why me come down.
Come on,
Bella,
man. We have to just know the shapes. You see me? Know the shapes.
we don't disagree with this girl, none at all. We just want
Trust me, I'm all for the victim. Trust me, I am gullible for a victim. You say she should come out and say something happened and she never reported, but that be behind her 100%. But you see, the moment she says she reported and all these documents and nothing happened, it made me kind of doubt everything. Because you know,
but literally just a while ago, we said we don't want to hear nothing about it. Go to the police, and then now this just magically just start happening.
No, because we were telling her she can, and I'm still saying it. Petergaye, click your one platform. Come tell us your story by yourself. Right now, if you Petergaye, you can be the overnight streamer upon you. So if you come right now, you get a platform instantly. Cut out the middleman. Me not stop say so. And I like me.
Platform is good in many ways. If you're scared, you can always have your camera on. People is watching.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
So come on the platform. You don't have to show your face because them not show for them face and people are listening to them. Come, put up a background, put up one puppy and just tell your story. Lock out your comment section. Trust me.
Put on a green screen or something. Chev said, Ahmed did say something yesterday and she see it now. What is happening?
Divine, Divine is.
Yep.
Dry. A fax me a talk. Right now, she can't get overnight fame by herself. Just come click your own platform, baby girl.
Oh, somebody said we are stressed out, Dan.
Come here, remember, say me I tell Peter if you keep him in one platform, and so I'm troubling I can't now. Petergaye, come and click your own platform. I will come over there, Roger will come over there, and we will sit and we will listen. Right, Roger?
Keenly.
Give me so much show that I'm sure for a long time.
Exactly, and we will support you. And trust me, them love mix up, so them will come over there for faster. So before you know it, you have 100K, you have a bigger platform, and the whole of them we attack right now. Because of you, we are come for listen. Cut out the middleman, come do your own thing because you are on TikTok. You don't need them anymore. From this morning, me I tell her that Petergaye. I've been telling you that from this morning, Petergaye. You don't need them anymore. Cut out the middleman. Come for your own platform. Make you all we come pack up over there. Me not ask.
Middleman, you make your own choice. Or choices.
Come tell your story by yourself. And you don't have to speak no perfect English. You can talk raw and patois. We will understand.
We'll support you.
We will support you. You don't have to come pretty up anything.
Real genuine woman power is right here. Not no hypocrite and we not collect no money for big you up nor nothing. Or for give your support or your right. We are doing the thing the right genuinely way.
You don't have to worry. You're on your own platform. We will give you. If you come for your own platform, you see you go on with yourself. Remember, say me I take my bill money, come give you one lion. Yeah? Just cut out the middleman. And come tell your own story.
Petergaye not send the number all now. That means Petergaye never want to talk.
Petergaye no want. We tell her because we are positivity, you know.
You want to talk? Not up here.
Like me say,
You haven't sent the number. Why need to text you? Me no need for text you. Me no need to text you. If I text you now, you go send message. Say me I text you down, and I try get to you. No, I don't need to text you. Send me the number.
Make it look like say you are
so everybody can see that you send me the number, and when you send me the number, I call. Send me the number like that. Don't do anything that is shady for you guys to come and say, okay, I've been texting you down, trying to get your number or anything. Just send me the number and I will just call you. Just like that. You don't have to see my caller ID. You won't see my caller ID. You will just get a call. So expect a call from an unknown number, which would be mine. You will get a call. I don't need to send you nothing. I don't need to do none of that. You just send me your number. You don't even have to say hi, hello, what's up. You don't even have to say none of that. You just send me the number. I know the profile picture, so I'll just take a look and I'll copy the number, paste it on my phone, and then I'll give you a call. My number is private, so you won't see my caller ID.
Roger, listen, she's not going to call because then just tell her not to call.
So much to come and anyways.
call in the first place.
She never called from the get-go turnstile. She never called from the beginning. That was just them making it seem like Petergaye came on my platform. And they're the one.
And try to reach out.
They're trying to convince us.
Yeah, because remember saying no, we always, I said she never did know where else but over this. So all of a sudden she dropped out.
Because we always say she always on one place. So now it's gonna seem as if, okay, she came and wanted to talk, but they told her not to call. We're not stupid. I already analyzed that, but I was giving her the benefit of the doubt.
And again, you know what here said? We are bullying nobody because of that. Them keep on us say we are bullying.
That's happening. I know the cards that are being played. I know that. You understand me? But now it's gonna make it seem like, oh, she wanted to go by Roger and then Sky them tell her not to go. So people can say that she really want to go and talk, but it's just these people that don't want to tell her. Blah 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 blah. We know that. I already know those scripts.
All me there I say sweep Roger sweep. Cause me know nothing no go so.
But Roger, she go bust it one day, you know. She go bust the truth one day, you know, Roger. Me tell you, since now that you know some money can make from TikTok, you watch.
But she make her body followers them now change their mind, cause see that Dana watching now where you watch it for, go change your wig.
Hold on, commercial break.
Watch.
Yes, right now, more and drought at this, you know. More and drought at this, you know, cause look like she want to tell them over. I just say, I must pay them PR if you do this or no, no go so. Dance start, talk all kind of sitting.
Commercial break, money gone.
I know a junker over there.
Hello, Don.
Them over there done blessed and Brit.
No, come suck up my pussy.
Hey.
Now them bubble head leader we done slap but we say 9 from 30 or 16 I lead them.
Over here keep on us say tell the girl to call the police, tell the girl to call the police. We just want to argue with people every fucking
nobody now say Jabba's innocent, but all of
like, come on, man, not too much now, not too much.
You know, make sense.
One man.
And no do our back smooth. Me say the grandfather said to lie down and read our book because she's very educated, and then you come again and say that is not her. Uno say I know a sister text her, and in the text the person say him. Oh you say Jabba text her, me say Jabba text her, but him ya say him. So that sound like you talk to somebody about him.
Hold on, Bessie. Hold on.
You just say Jabbas.
Hold on, Bessie. Commercial break. Money gone, guys. Money gone. Cause I beg with that beg before. So money gone. I beg with it over here. I beg. We are beggar. Me not beggar still enough. But we are beggar. So money gone.
Uno does. And then Uno over there say we done. So Uno done. Of course somebody can full of cut and full of bruise and full of all kind of things. But Uno know. Listen, the person we talk as the auntie, if the idiot them go listen to the voices them, the same person we talk as the auntie is the same person talk like the last Petergaye we talk.
So we're done over here, I said, Bowie.
To over Fear Live I listen to. I want dirty girl join Fear Live and say, oh, she did join only yesterday, and oh, she didn't want to come tell you no suck out this and suck out that.
So why she never come? Somebody did
never know why Dan never
had her. Always want to come and say something and never can reach on this podium, on the platform of beggars up here.
The idiot them man play Andre Stevens YouTube video, you know. Remember say them say she go to Andre Stevens in 2023,
that's a total different,
you know, but yet still Andre Stevens keep on and say you molest your own relative and she and him and a relative. Uno listen to it and uno still not get it, uno still see a Petergaye.
Different case.
So it's Andre talking about his sister. They know. They just
she did go to Andre and Andre keep on as a family member. You molested your family member and him still see a Petergaye go to Andre 2023.
And he said he never dealt with that case. Andre said he don't know nothing about Petergaye's story. And he come and clear it again and said he dealt with his stepsister story long time ago.
And everybody was aware of that.
Why not talk about her?
Somebody we are molested.
Why she don't talk about her son with take life? Dan knows her son to be talk about over there.
Dan go wipe out your house.
Dan not have no sense because she Dan post one paper as if say our son case drop her sitting and it has say something else. It has say him a go trial. So for show you how she done scam. I don't know who read that to her, but it no look like she did read it before she post.
But remember, say that no reasonability, because sometimes I wonder where the shit Dan story about where she say we connect. Me get can't Dan just not have no reasonability.
Dan shit in a Dan head like
she just stop here nonsense. She just don't count one Dan head. No, but she can't be dumbest person ever.
Blind Bartimus.
Dan cannot reason. One story.
Somebody like the woman in arm said, when we hear her with them nonsense, you follow the whole idiot them. Me have to say no man, walla unfollow. You know this.
You never get the point of dance story. Not when she come out contact you ever get the point, like never.
Them block me yesterday from City Life, so me can't say nothing.
She never got school, so she never have no sharpener.
From a go over there go ask where them get the DNA from, them take me off of the something I love, so me don't know where them
and
over there.
So cool, them say them get it from the stepsister case, and the stepsister case happened after fear because 2016 come before 2023. And
them say the DNA can't expire. That them say
but if you go backwards,
money gone, guys, money gone.
When Petergaye ready,
somebody tell her if Petergaye over Raja, Mama run for Raja live, you know.
Who did want send bad girl? I think a bad girl. Whatever. I don't remember what the name is. Stacy. Send
her. Control.
Don't you hear? Oh, she come over here. Here are Petergaye.
What Petergaye? Come over here. Pick your life.
Petergaye really have a story. She can go anywhere with it. Since I help you, no one will take inside of the culprit. Why you have a problem if Petergaye go nowhere else?
We will help her build her page.
Because they are foreign. You can't help her. Make people when they are Jamaica help her. But hold on there. Petergaye have gifter badge.
Yes.
Petergaye will come. Oh, she get gifter badge and she there Jamaica. Jamaica people have money to start gift now.
But I'm going to just have that most. Then we don't know say Petergaye have friend.
Jamaicans have gifter badge. They have what?
No, me not talk about you. She a ranker. Me not talk about you.
Mixawa. Father Mixawa.
No, Migs are rich man. We not talk about them. Members say Petergaye need money for this and money for that, you know. So me not expect Petergaye to have gifter badge.
You know, man. Yeah, make Raja get that, man.
My brother know what me a talk about, man.
Yeah, listen, you know, but every madness on the chat there stop on you know.
No. But who she have gifter badge and them a collect money for her?
Raja, I don't think
she have gifter badge and yet still she need money for buy grocery.
Raja what?
Because we unsend them then keep relevant and it don't make no sense we are wasting energy on this. Money time we want money
money gone missing come in from the time.
Don't you get liar she with her head we gather water. Over there, play over Andre Stevens YouTube video them over.
Trying to convince other people.
You Shav, listen to what Dana said. Come not take no ear say no, cause the people must say Dana said the girl Petergaye tell lie. So ear what?
She don't say first with you. She say no she want all out her story because look like a lie Petergaye tell.
Myself stop me top carry the bother with the news business.
Thing I wanna say is when I say Petergaye have gifting badge, how she gain a gifting badge when she don't do social media?
That one, what too?
And I say, wanna play the recording? If play it, make
you want hear her, but true, she listen to we too. It kinda
listen to her. Then I listen for listen.
You do not do social media, but you have a gifting badge. How you?
Pause. Look like somebody I call the bitch. Well, it's okay.
You see, the thing is that I don't blame her enough for everybody of their story, right? But in this day and age, it's how serious it is, right? It's like you would know that the people have interest at heart. Why not wait till you do what you do behind the scenes and then you go and talk, you know? You're doing everything before you see.
Like how you are talking about 2 hours, man. Let me show you something. Say, for me, when I click my own platform, get all of the kind for myself, all the lion, the tiger, and beer for myself.
If I daddy come down good.
Click the platform and get the kind them for myself, Dan. You understand? But Dan, you know why nobody not take the story? Here what happened? She need a more go and ask person or somebody when they're in the great mix up like this. Because why they don't believe liar them? And we as the only man we have to up here, me as the only man. The point is, me the pan liar them team because me as a big believer. So me have to take liar them side. Roger them I want mix up with share them cross the other side.
Roger,
so because you want to test them and make the money out fighting and she brought it forward to the thing.
Roger.
Yeah.
Nadra, I said fi add somebody because from yesterday she had tried to add her and she can't find her. Me can't find her either. Bad girl Stacy.
See me just add her.
Alright, thank you. Go back to cleaning, honey. You can print up back shove.
Here's the thing, though. Here's the thing. With
Start to say what we have to now. Click your one platform, woman.
the victim is the victim and they can speak on how they want to speak.
When you finish, okay?
She a fucking idiot if I she. If I she.
Bonnie.
What she say? If I she in her box, I say a she.
Remember, so me come bust it up this morning. I'm tell. Pause them for a little second. Remember, say this morning me come out in and me spit a fire. Me say Petergaye, come on your own platform, come tell your own story. If I saw it go, we will send the right people over there. We will come help you. We will come support you because all we love mix up. And that's about them.
But I understand what she say. If I she in the box, I say a she.
But Petergaye never in a box. Them just tell her, say Petergaye over here. Petergaye never come in the box.
Okay, Petergaye can call Roger privately and talk to Roger.
Over here because they are
Good evening, guys.
Petergaye no need to come in nobody box. Petergaye need to go click her own platform and tell her own story by herself. And that's what say.
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Auntie Dan, me never dare call like me. I go explain to Roger what happened, the date, the time, not like that. I tell me one time to go suck out him mama and stop call me name and stop twist what me say and stop talk or things that not true. Because if him and Alex are the really friend, Alex would have tell him the truth. Alex would have sit him down and say, all right then, this is what happened and that is what happened. But we did offer them $50,000 and they name techie and the fucking girl they left the community. So I feel say everything done.
They have people Petergaye, you fuck out. Them should have raped themselves. Fuck out the whole of your thing. You look an asshole, girl. You're not even know how to kill a blood clot. I look a fuck out, girl. With the earn and your label. Just fuck out back here. Mama check your suction bone. Your mama fake. She dead, she resurrect. She dead, she resurrect. Just fuck your mama.
Let me ask you that question, Petergaye. I'm going to ask you only time
I'm
going to
you want fuck your ball rape. Two no man fuck you. Two no man now fuck you. You want fuck your ball rape.
8 o'clock is my truth.
You want fuck till your ball rape.
Me not if, but at 9 years me have this in my belly button. Me not
Put blood clot line
Petergaye, me
for 9 years in my belly button.
Where you talk with where you said Jabas do to you?
I swear upon my mother life when me love it.
Your mother dead. Your mother dead.
Petergaye,
your mother dead. Your mother dead.
100% sure.
Your mother dead.
Your mother
Last time you
dead.
ask you again. Petergaye, you sure say I don't lie you tell Panjabas Petergaye.
And that's for answer. Give me something.
Petergaye, me can't answer right now too.
Somebody, when you go over there, go text. When you go over there, go text. We are going to Station tomorrow.
Hold on, I'm going to answer no question from you. I'm going to see you over Scrub Live. I'm not going to answer no question. Ask me anything, Auntie Dan.
Well, as we said, if you answer that from last night, because we pissed off with what you do a while ago, but now you say something else you're not going to do, and me just hope everybody
Hold on then. You think, look here, tomorrow my big day.
I know, but that's why they say, why you don't go over there if tomorrow your big day?
I go suck out the mama. You know you're the one person them where myself that we cannot true.
You're so good, Petergaye. You're so good. I never jump out to your father. I never jump out to your father.
4 times she said, 4 times she said, she swear upon her mother, she swear upon her life. She swear upon her mother dead. She not going to listen, going to hear what the girl say. So I'm going to watch nobody else. The girl knows that nobody else.
asked her 4 times because I never asked her the question the last night. That was the question I was supposed to ask. I want to hear from the same thing. Just wait for the result to see if result are going to come out of it. That's all we have to do.
Dan is so done.
It's me, I got mute you now.
Dan, let me say something to this girl here. She don't know me. And not because you see me pass somebody alive, I have the right to go where I want to go.
Your mouth I get too bad now.
Don't you ever offend me because I fight for you. You just disrespect me for no for the reason.
You fuck how you on your two blood clots now.
Don't you ever do it because I never say nothing bad about you yet. And you just rub me bad. I never hate you, I never say nothing about you. Come on this platform, I'm going to talk with everybody. Me and Scrub a friend. If you have up Scrub, be careful. Don't have me up and do what you say about me. I'm not going to say nothing bad about you, not good about you. The point is, me just believe you, but don't cross me, don't do it. Apologize in your heart, but don't apologize to me, don't do it. Don't rub me that way there. Don't rub me that way there. Don't rub me that way there. I don't know where you come from with that, but you're just negative a while ago. Don't do it. No, we have to tell her the truth. I'm going to tell her the truth.
No, Hammer, no.
I'm tell her the truth, you know. Because I don't know, I'm not arguing with her. No, what I know? She said, Hammer. Me not talk to you, though.
Guys, remember say at the 10 year and I know she say at 9 years she have it in her belly, remember?
She just said she not talk to you. Scrub. That's Hammer, that's not a big deal. She never call you.
Scrub, I say I like.
I beat her, and I'm sure I'm gonna beat her, Hammer, understand.
You're Christian and everything to her.
She just said she don't want to answer you no more because she see you somewhere where people are beat her. And you have to understand that. She don't want to say your name.
I'm over there, Scrub, I beat her and I defend her and Scrub kick me out of my box. That have nothing to do with it. Because them Scrub want know the truth like everybody else, but the way they go to Scrub and tell Scrub something. Yeah, because you understand? And when they go over Scrub and I tell Scrub, it look mixed up too, the way they must say to Scrub. I'm not the difference Scrub I say. If Scrub this argument here, at the end of the day.
Man, shut up, make the old germ start now.
Auntie Dan, listen. It's when time me come out
The police and chief.
Listen. Alright, give me a minute.
Because me know me I say. Me know the people them, me know the people them.
No man, Hammer, like you have personalized it too much. Auntie Dan, you have personalized it too much. Auntie Dan, Benjamin, you see if me come out and say the sky blue, them come out and run with you and say, Miss
Oh, it's her life, work upon her mother life. So her woman not dead.
You understand?
Her mother not dead.
You see, it's like them a play Chinese telephone. But Petergaye, we tell you that is the plot. They have to keep the story going. So they have to me a Sky. I don't know Sky in a real life. But Petergaye, we know that, but we don't care about that. Petergaye, stop explaining yourself because they Sky like the same place. Nothing no go so. You say your Sky like same house. You want over Raja box right now. Say your Sky like same house. You talked to me last night. It look like a Sky house, me there.
Man. Live then. Turn on the camera.
No. Alright, you know Sky. When I show you my scars, remember say me naked. Me look like Sky?
No. Sky little and bag and short and little and tiny. Sky look like she weigh about 95 pounds. You weigh more than Sky.
Me weigh far more than Sky.
Okay.
Petergaye, you know, Petergaye, who don't believe you have their reasons for not believing?
God
And no matter what you say, if you come today and we let the Sky blue, they must say,
Make lawyer them
what you say,
and
and
make
keep
me
it
lawyer
like
them
no father, no father name now with the birthday. We not,
You know your father?
Listen, if you not
yes,
play
me know
the
it, but he name not the partner for me.
Okay. One other question I want to ask you, Petergaye, and this is a good question. You know nobody else where I got you the same thing where you got you with the same person?
Yes, ma'am. Can't call their name pan here, don't me text you.
Let's Sky that.
Okay, so you know more girl when do the same thing to when do to you?
Yes, ma'am. But they not get it hard like how me get it.
Okay. People, may I ask valid question, you know? May I ask valid question?
Ask her why none of them never go ask them name and why they not in the police station.
Yes.
Why they never report it?
One liver.
No, you don't want to talk for them live.
Yeah, ma'am. You understand? Yeah.
Okay. So you have 2 more where I get in touch with you. And you
yeah, me know 2.
Okay.
Advice come down.
Yeah. Nobody never put me up to this. I remember me text Rosalie one long text on TikTok. Rosalie never responds back to me. The next day, me see Rosalie on live. And it's like she don't believe I love it. We don't want the world to believe me.
But when she did, you don't want no big old girl. Send me nothing in the inbox.
Yeah, and me should talk. And at the end of the day when me I talk to Rosalie remember I text and Rosalie tell me that she's sorry. She's sorry, so she never reach out back to me.
She friend at the time.
She said she's sorry, so she never reach out back to me. I'm forgive her because right now she stand with me 100%.
Them I did friend at the time, so a lot of people that do the same thing. You understand?
No, alright. If me a lie, what me going to gain out of this?
Yeah, when you want me
like get already.
Me don't have nothing to gain. If you see me click one live and come and beg money.
No.
Me nah do that. You know, so
you see the lady will come up when run out her box and tell her go suck her mother. Who that lady there?
Which lady?
The one when run out of the box where the lady say, why you go put the phone in the man's face?
No, that's a clean baby mother.
Okay.
She would have left Jamaica a long time.
Okay. Yeah, she said 21 years.
Listen,
she's in America now.
Listen.
So when she wouldn't know me. So she can't remember you know not more you know.
Alright. That the woman that wouldn't know me.
Don't know you? No.
No, not go know me.
21 years she said she's in America. 21
That the woman that not go know me.
Somebody a coach her, what you say?
You don't know your
But what me I say? Why we can't be people? Me don't want nobody believe me. Cause nobody never did it. I did me and God Almighty. Nobody never did it. I want me say.
And Jabas, remember Jabas?
Why never reached nowhere? Was a statement, yes. A statement was given. But me don't know if you don't understand the system. I was a minor. And if my mother now pushy.
No, your mother wouldn't have nothing to say.
Never work on my turn that down. Somebody ring Skyphone. Somebody who can ring Skyphone. Ring Skyphone.
It's not fast, no? I say trouble.
Them a go for they go tell her.
Funny talk about them here, the all grass man.
Who name this Sky? Who name this Sky?
Well,
Sky we have over here on a Sky. We don't know no more Sky.
Auntie Dana.
Yeah.
Call Granville place a sleep
That is Sky. That voice is Sky.
You see,
that's a Sky.
No, but Sky, I say, why you asking me, sir?
As soon as we say Sky, the man went up on the live when him DJ Roger, he's listening to the live. So as we say, ring Skyphone.
Hey man, don't say argument. Well, I know Raga, or DJ Raga. Yes, when Sky add to the live, ask her to turn on her camera. Make we see her she a coach Peter.
Yes.
She didn't know.
No, Dana.
She can't believe her life.
Raga, tell Sky.
Yes, that makes you Sky there, man. Come on, same time.
Camera.
See me here. Come up too?
Yeah, come up.
Same echo in your ear.
So they say I see him.
The same echoing. I right at the girl there.
Make your girl talk now. Make your girl talk now. Make your girl talk. Some Mexican talk now.
No, we quiet so we can hear.
Me in the animal say something, say me come out for money, me must go click one live, me must go do this. So me text him and tell him to inbox me, no man tell him me not do this for no fucking money. Uno did me ever call and a beg uno nothing. Uno know see me man.
Me question where you keep it here. I say, who is Scott? See me here. You have a question for me?
No, me not no question.
Move around.
Listen if the background is on the same way.
See your background. See your background. It's on side, friend.
Move around, Sky. So why Petergaye stop talk? Why Petergaye stop talk and they start move around? Fucking. Alright, tell Petergaye to turn on our camera then and turn it the other way.
Me's a mother. She reach out to me. She tell me what I want.
Make Petergaye turn on our camera and turn it the other way. So
I don't listen to Sky voice, no man. I don't listen to Sky voice, no man.
Jobbers go trick now or something.
Because you don't know what me say, no know what me say. You don't know what me say.
Problem. You don't stand with a rapist. Me with a rapist too.
Same place, the girl.
Yeah, you
Same
explain
place.
yourself too, no. Most of them are rapists too. Most of them are rapists. We are different jobbers.
Sky, make us see a floor and Petergaye, make us see a floor.
Yeah.
Make us see the floor them. Petergaye, show your floor. Sky, show
the
your
girl,
floor.
the same place where Sky there. Same where the
same place. Show the floor. Raja, DJ Raga, tell them to show them floor. Only show on the floor.
Stop listening, man. Just listen, man. Just done it.
Petergaye, nah talk.
Done the argument because no money gonna come in. Done the argument.
It's an echo. Hear the echo now? Show on the floor. Dan, tell them to show the floor. Tell Sky to walk your floor and walk the Petergaye floor. That's the only way we can believe that the two of them.
Yeah, the floor can't go wrong. Money gun, chat, money gun.
Sky, show your blood clot floor and Petergaye show your floor. Show the floor. That's not we not buy pussy in a bag. Dan, them are idiots, you know. I know everybody is idiot.
The background, echo your phone.
Same background. Same background.
Everybody, quiet for a second, please. Quiet for a second, please. We can get some money gun chat, please, and thank you. Can I have some money gun, please?
Floor. Now it becomes entertainment. Oh, this is not entertainment.
Wait there, mama. Wait there. Me, I look my money gun them. Wait there. Come on, chat. Let me get some money gun. Thank you. Appreciate it. Money gun chat. Thank you. Some man no go on over down, no? You're talking now, go on till you no go on back.
Exactly.
Also, the people don't realize that you're fucking
Muted, please, muted. Thank you. Sweet persuasion, thank you. Legendary, thank you for the rose. I can't start pack on the bag and go find an abiding city. Find on a yard, pack on a bag and go. CK, thank you. Venetia, big up. They got to go.
Lift up, man.
Purpose, thank you. Renel, thank you. $1,000 blood clot, 700 people sit down and do what? I do what? I mean, I have 25 money gun and can't get it. Do the maths. 25 in 1,700. Do the maths. No must have mad the blood clot and lock off this. You think me is down them? I beg. Martin, thank you. It's beg me, I beg. Oh.
I want to ask her something. Come here, Petergaye. Because I'm the only man I fight for you. You come like you don't respect me. You know they are worried about me and scrub. You know what about scrub when Petergaye.
Who me hear Sir Roger suck dick? Me never know Sir Roger suck dick. Me hear somebody say Roger have herpes pan him mouth and him suck dick.
Here you know.
What look do with Petergaye? Where she gone? Beg you back, Petergaye, for 1 minute now, Dan. May I ask her something? May I talk about somebody who me know? And somebody me know when I ask her about. Oh, she gone. Okay.
Me didn't know Sir Roger want fish, you know.
Here then.
Where say you did throw a line over there before?
From here, when I talk, me know say I want fish.
Yeah, because the type of church where ain't going to broke you out in a fish. Once them church, no normal. Them church no normal. Once you go 61.
No, Roger said, I'm only
Roger can't go see, no bubbles are going to follow him if him go see.
King of crosses, you know, king if it stop it.
What go on, Dan?
Roger said, my defend money God, he must stop listen to Dan live. He must defend
Liar, me a fight the case and more. You put back Peter. Dan, beg you back Petergaye 1 minute now because me a part of the case and me really, although she cuss me out, me really want to ask her one question.
She never cuss you out. She never cuss you out.
No, she don't cuss me out. She don't cuss me out.
She see over. Let me tell her what is Petergaye problem. She have scroll the internet and listen to everybody. I'm tell her stop. Come on,
stop. Listen that.
Stop.
Me love her. Me love her. I'm always a take up for her. Me go for one life as the man them see me. Idiot boy, I'm all alone to go for the idiot girl.
And you know what? Me understand Petergaye because guess what? And me in a Petergaye shoes, me don't know how she feel. So me can't tell her to come off of the media. But if she don't want to come off, I cannot take her off. Me can't tell her say Roger spit in her face about what happened to her. But if she want to go over Roger, I cannot tell her don't go over there. And me I go through her pain. And me wear her shoes. And never me in a situation. I'm just a person that believe her and I stand up with her. That's what I am doing.
Like what she has said now.
So no leave it vendetta when me and Uno call me name.
She'll go over there for proof.
Until that, you know me as a liar. Which liar me ever tell about nobody pan the media? Liar me ever tell about a lie about nobody pan the media? Nobody pan the app when me and tell no lie about nobody pan the media. Everything when me come pan media can talk a fact. 4 years ago, me say Shaky we are picnic and she sit down and say a lie and it come out 3 years after say a show. Me say Shaky because one girl tell me say them batch her in the community. She say a lie and BMW come out as her ex-best friend come say a show.
Check your WhatsApp.
Me say she a sex in a pampas, then say a lie and me drop it in a my group. That is facts. She admit it. Wish like on pan social media hear me tell pan nobody. Can not go around and say me is a liar. What? So me can bring blood receive bank girl. Wish like me tell pan nobody pan the media. No allow me reputation alone, man. Leave my reputation alone. Wish like me tell no one pan the media about no girl or no boy pan the media.
Me never know Sir Roger have herpes pan him mouth.
Yeah, king man, what wrong with your king?
No allow my reputation alone, man. Me believe in something no girl or no boy can change my belief. Me stand with Petergaye until Petergaye look for me and tell me say I lie.
Look for Roger over there.
Dan, look on him mouth, say if it's in a herpes what?
Big links, what's up? Make me hear big links, I say.
Yeah, man, me I answer a question, man. Good night to everybody on the panel. What go on? Me invested in that story for the past week and two. So, you know, me in a problem with my wife because she said, I won't go to bed at night time. You understand? But me have one question and one question only to ask. And it's directed to TikTok Lion Sky since them involved directly with Petergaye. Now we know it's a cold case. A statement was already given back then. Has the case been reopened by the police in St. Elizabeth?
It's gonna be listen, they're gonna reopen. Everything's gonna happen.
Tomorrow night
you come back to we can
everything are reopen. Everything
tomorrow. That's the only question me want.
Yes, circle with tomorrow.
Alright. It's a process. It's a process and that's it. Everything are reopen.
Yes.
Alright. Yeah, me fully invested in us. I know
you're fully invested, man. Me know you're fully invested.
And everybody know why them a draw out Petergaye. What about the girl where Jabas got court for before all of them cases come up? And allegation, you hear me use the word allegation, say analyze the girl, and that's why the girl never come a court, and that's why the case drop. Well, no one Petergaye show her face. For Jabas go analyze she too.
I show her face. That way she goes too much. Not show her face. She have to protect herself.
To want everybody say without no face, no fucking trace. Because no one go analyze the girl. And TikTok lawyer, you need to make Petergaye do something about Raja, you know. Because Raja is going around looking for star and people belling. Raja have to get involved in this because he want peace that it's now. And if we say we have to defend her and stand with her, we have to make sure you know the right thing to do, you know. And Raja have to go down with Jabas, you know.
He love it, he want peace. The money will help him.
TikTok lawyer, me know say this is just advice. Me know you know better still, but yeah, what no? Keep her off of the internet. She not to come back over here.
Me tell her yesterday.
She not to come back over here.
You know, maybe think me and lawyer and dream. I tell Petergaye say follow everybody life. No, we tell her to take a break from the media. Come on, but we don't
leave it alone.
Yeah, she by herself
overseas and she there Jamaica.
But what happened? You know,
we don't have no control. We can't tell her not to go.
Let me say something will happen. Let me tell you what happened. Petergaye, it's when you go through trauma and you hear people lie about your trauma and twist your trauma, it's hard. Me not gonna say it's easy.
It's hard. It's very hard. We can't encourage her not to do this. But if she wants, we can't stop her.
Yeah, you live it, and it's hard when people do it. You know, I tell your story for you. When you know damn well, say you never say it that way.
Me hate when people tell me like they know.
Yeah, so it's like we are a human being. It hurts. It hurts. When I hear say people who was not there, I tell your story for you.
But liar, if Auntie Dan a ride with we, and Auntie Dan just say, can me get his screen recording? Say, she believe Petergaye 100% and he gone at 20. What about the people and we never ride with that? Because Auntie Dan a ride with that, you know. Auntie Dan just said it leave from 100% to 20% now.
What she say? When you say gone at 20?
Auntie Dan, she said it.
Over there cuss me. She make Raja them over there cuss me because me over here cuss. I say, where the fuck she gone over there? Now gonna make how much scream record out now. So when she go over there, so now she make them say, look and we as fucking liar.
Yeah, true. Me understand.
She want to talk to Raja. Watch if she go call Raja phone and say to Raja, say Raja, I pay me because somebody call she and say them a give her $1 million, $2 million. Everything then turn over back and we know.
Exactly. That's what me say now. When she call Raja, you know, Raja can record somebody and say I pay me, you know, and come back and she
and then use and everything turned
over. Yeah. So me say I have to be careful.
Now she come explain it, say no, and that she didn't want to talk to him about.
But we can't trust Raja.
Because mother give number for cause him to make him have your number for give other people your number.
But
so
somebody
never sound right to me.
Somebody was in the box saying the Raja must record it.
Yeah. So we are saying no, you know.
So they say this man we look like big old idiot now. So they must say a lie. We have tell over yes or no.
Yeah.
When Dana talk
enemy them.
Yeah,
so me know you wanna lie more than God to enemy them. And Raja bring down emotion up.
Yeah, Raja decided
to Raja we are bringing down emotion. Just think about that.
Me didn't support it too, but me still not disbelieve her story because it's over Raja. She's a victim. We can't tell her what to do.
All your son get involved. Remember say all your son get involved, so we don't know how.
Raja go look out for some. Raja go look out for some.
Me understand Petergaye's situation. Me understand Petergaye's situation. I mean, because of the confusion where the media do to her and the beat where them a beat her and she go over some of the platform. Me I go say me don't believe. I believe her, but at the end of the day, she's not listening to me. Somebody will back her. So me lose friends because of this. Me lose friends because of this. I'm in a business if me want to lose no fucking friend because me stand up with a victim as a mother. But me can't tell Petergaye what to do and what not to do.
Yeah, she's just frustrated. She's just frustrated.
Leave it alone. So
she's frustrated.
I feel like to me, I tell Petergaye for go over Raja or come on live or do this. I'm not doing that.
Because that's what them are saying.
If you can't prove which lie me tell on the media, you take the allegation off of my name. Or when you not call me liar, you put allegation first. And none of you on the media can come tell which girl I go and ever tell no lie on.
If you not the boat. when Bella try to say, because I know she can't get to click her own live because I know
She can't go live. She don't have a page to go live. You know how the other day why Sky flying her page because she had tried to go live and can't go live on her page. We don't even know why.
Because when you just get it toes, it look like you have to turn on it for 3 hours.
Yeah, me don't know, but in no matter how she had tried.
Lawyer, even if Petergaye should go live and tell her story, Rogers them gonna twist it.
That's it, they're not gonna believe her either way.
They just don't believe her.
You see, when she go to tell her story, she must lock off the comment section and not take nobody up in the box. Just talk.
She not go, listen, if Roger said he believe the story, who is he gonna have on his platform? Nobody. If Roger come out and say believe the story, he can't push no narrative. Everybody
Sister, can I ask you a question?
Believe the story, me gonna over down, gonna hear Petergaye talk and dance.
If Roger and Shay them believe Petergaye, is that gonna give her justice? If they believe her, what is the point of them believing her or anybody believing her?
No, but what I'm saying is, even if Roger do, Sky, even if Roger do, Roger saying he believe the story. No, Roger is doing it for money. He cannot say he believe the story because he's gonna losing crowd. Because if him crowd they have a beat Petergaye, and if he saying he believe Petergaye, what am I do? Them are gone unless he find somebody.
I'm going to go for one other platform.
He has to keep pushing the narrative. He has to keep pushing the narrative. Because if he come now and say that same believe Petergaye, what am I going to hear? They might come on my life to hear, Dawn life, or Fio life, or Mother life. No, they're not going to
come this is the last thing me expect for years. Petergaye name I call today. I know, this is the last thing me expect for years today.
Today I fall first. Today I fall the day then.
Today I fall day. Why Petergaye name I mention today? Why not box? Why not live? Why not go on today? Like me can't deal with this.
But when we forget saying I wrote the consult TJ story, I make money I fight 1 whole week. I tell TJ story. TJ couldn't tell his story.
TJ a chance to tell his story.
And him tell the boy story and talk 1 whole party.
Go to TJ and step on phone with TJ and come talk back everything what TJ tell him. You know, make him boy get a chance to contact him on a story. All the people that know see I saw him stay.
So him stay and he tell TJ story. I remember when TJ story happened, he did off of the internet too. A TJ story bring him back.
But he go call TJ on his phone and him
sound concerned, like he concerned.
Everything I forget the crowd.
Yes. 1 week he over the panny. Yep, and that's what he does. He does that all the time.
You know when TJ going in box yesterday, I throw TJ out of box Bella.
Like honestly, me not giving a people about no when I know about Pani Media. Me not people about one minute deal Pani Media. All I want is Petergaye to get justice. That's all I want. I don't care. Me I put aside when me and everybody have Pani Media. Me not study nobody. Me not argue with nobody. Anything nobody wants to do me them
exactly.
Me just want Petergaye to get justice. So that me I find a little justice to Petergaye.
You said the man turn host.
Blighted blink to blood clot.
The man turn host. The man turn host a kick back.
I know the bag of argument and the bag of explaining.
Them not keep a court case on this.
When I explain to nobody, nothing to nobody Pani Media, I am not. You understand? If like, we can't deal with this. None of last thing we expect to see today, Tuesday. Why is going on today?
Who is that?
Don, this is a court case, you know.
Who that? Who names sir? Who that? Who names sir?
One lady where you saw the court on TikTok.
Oh, okay.
So she don't believe nothing want to say because now wicked.
And that's fine. And that's fine. She don't believe me.
Everybody has said Sky a liar. Tell me which lie me tell pants Maddie on social media. Which lie? Everything when me say about she are true. I mean, first, me couldn't know that she selling picnic for a plate of food. You buy eat. I don't say me a liar. And it come out 3 years after. Me say she have sex in a pampas. And I say bring it come. Me drop it in my group. Where is the lie? Tell me which lie me tell. Me say job. Me say Raja fish. Because in moderator, me did a friend, and she tell me when she did Jamaica, she tell me everything we go on. When she in a one room of sex, Raja in a one next room of sex. Where's the lie? No, right after that, Raja go suck one pussy and drop him own video for proof. Same like girls. We don't know when people guilty.
Which lie me tell for nobody on social media?
Roger can't fool
Which
nobody
lie?
like a fish.
I mean, Macy come out and show up Roger boyfriend when buy the bike for. Who tell lie pan the media? Who bring the receipt them come? Screen recording no lie. Bring the receipt them come. Who me tell lie pan the media? I don't tell lie pan people.
I have one question for you.
Yeah.
Somebody send me one video with one girl, one nether sodomite girl put her hand up in her pussy. You know who?
Wait, where you a while ago?
Here you know. Somebody send me one video with one girl push up her whole hand, boy. You saw her hand in her nether girl pussy. You know who? But the girl have tattoo on her hand.
I lie. I mean to get that the video there yet.
You don't know how.
No, never threw me across the people and stop job Ivan the video in the group, then stop job video in the group.
Blood clot as a talk about that to get one of
No, mother talk about it. Mother like get banana today for that. She talk about it. Mother talk about it. Take on 1 week.
Okay,
yeah.
done with that then.
No, mother talk about it.
Done with that. But listen, I don't busy when me and no one have pan media. I am a mother, and I'm being a mother to Petergaye. Just if my child reach out to me and tell me something, like me I be a mother to Petergaye, she don't have to be my child for me be a mother to her. What wrong with Uno? Uno I don't take my reputation and know say Sky Diamond news is real. What wrong with Uno?
Bella not easy, you know. Here Bella go say, Uno buy in Petergaye mother lobster and she not having no teeth. Oh, she go eat lobster.
So which lobster? Who buy lobster?
Petergaye with her mother. Everybody I take this thing for a fucking circus and it's not funny.
Petergaye live with her mother. Me ask them a joke says she should go buy lobster, eat whatever day. Petergaye live with her mother.
Everybody them I take this thing for a fucking circus and it's not funny. It is not funny. To me it's not funny, it's not entertaining. Nothing about it not funny.
Her mother not on a page.
No, she have her backup.
She have her backup. Nothing about this situation is not funny. When you sick my stomach on the media.
Same page name Dream Blaze Backup. I say name Dream Blaze Backup. You don't go follow a page. That page
you love to fault with people and you not see fault with yourself. You know side with a rapist instead of a victim. You disgusting. When you sick my stomach.
A lot of people take time to draw away, you know. A lot of people are draw away because a lot of people are looking to and realize a base fly story them that get, you know. A lot of people just realize that be
yeah, then go fabricate the story to get people on their side. Then go say screwdriver in this. When anyone no go so, then come back again. Bird paper this. Don't need for fucking stop. I want that's my child we are dealing with.
Know about the story because she over there tell Raja them say Sky a Petergaye and Petergaye a Sky. Then she and
them say me blind.
You know she say you know, listen advice them. You know, listen. Me I say, when a woman here talk say.
Oh, me if it sound like Petergaye.
And you see Petergaye, mother. You see Petergaye.
Remember, Sky Diamond have the man in her. Remember, I am a girl that like girl and to me like girl. Feel like me need to be a boy, so me have the man in me. Listen to my voice rough. Me sound like Petergaye.
The man in you.
When you not hear the man in me, I don't sound like Petergaye. Oh, me if it sound like Petergaye.
But if you just understand where she come from, and our story, and we feel it, and when you know, say,
and Sister Petergaye don't know about the media, me and you know what don't know about the media, me I tell her about the media. Every time she go up on a platform, and somebody I say liar, tell liar, me I tell lie, she want going out the box because she knows we not tell no lie. Me tell her, no, we can't manage this, we make for the media.
Anything we know say.
We not feel like we know the truth. We know you exist. We send money to Petergaye every fuck. When the people them give me money, and me send money to Petergaye. Petergaye me send it to. And a Shelly, and a Kellyanne, and a Marvia, and a Stacey, a Petergaye me send it to. So me know the truth. Me no need for back and forth with on the media. And I'm not gonna do it. I stop. Me did I put things out there for to make the type of person, showing the type of person that Jabaz is. But clearly, when you support rapists, it's clear to me. It's very clear to me what you guys stand on. You some of you don't have any moral. I me see it.
Supposed to do it to see that we're not standing up just to stand up as idiots.
No go and listen. I'll
remember the man of a daughter. The man of a daughter, and I say, you don't have to worry. The picnic will go. Watch, she will go. What goes around comes around. Just watch.
He have one bigger daughter and one little daughter. I think 2 daughters I have.
Petergaye phone can't even screen record. For sure, you say Petergaye phone can't even.
Him gonna mess with the wrong father.
Petergaye.
Him gonna mess with the wrong girl, and her father gonna do him something.
Petergaye. Hammer want
Sorry
ask
about that. My auntie called me. Because my auntie said I must come off her live.
See Hammer see her, ask her make she can go on. Wait, ask her.
Hammer, see her there.
Hammer.
See, the people here understand how it work.
Hammer.
Hammer, see Petergaye.
Petergaye, ask her about motor.
Ask her, see her here.
Oh. Okay. Petergaye, me no send to this bed back and front and side and twist.
If you got your question that
Mutty Scott, you know him good because him take the report. No, yeah, I want to ask him how him look, how Mutty Scott look.
Mutty Scott, sir.
What he look like?
I saw Mutty Scott 3 times when I was 16. I saw him 3 times when I was 16. I don't know how he look now.
What he look like when you see him? Where can you remember he look like?
Light complexion, I did big man.
How he look? He might ask you how he look. Describe him, mark him, tall, slim, fat, him brown.
He have body, man. You hear me?
Yeah, we are here.
Yeah, I hear you. He have body.
He have body, he have light complexion.
Oh, I'm going to go up with him.
Yeah.
I saw Mutty Scott look, Amma.
That's what I'm not going to answer. Me just listen to me now. Me just ask a question. I can't.
You are confirmed to is your sonny man look. Go on here, Petergaye. Come on, play game. Really?
Oh, no. You see, that's what I listen how we work now. I ask her a simple question and she answer the question. Suppose me go say something and then say, look how she say something there. You get to me and say, me no want somebody else say, you say something, just believe me now. Yeah.
Mama, me want you to understand, so me see him 3 times when me did 15, 16, when the incident did fresh.
But Petergaye, you see anything me say right here, so it a go scream record and say me say something different. Listen what me I say.
I don't say no, be a banger wrong again.
Go up in my yard. And them a go say something different. Then go up in my yard up a Mount Pleasant when me used to up them, me go to Balaclava primary. You know Balaclava, right?
Yeah.
You know, Bogue school down, pan the long stretch down. I know all of the places. Not like only the one down, I live a Spanish town and I saw me go up, my family them come from there. But me no want to say something. And me go say, you're saying light. And me go say, no, sir. And them go say, then, you hear it? No. And that's how we're going to work. It's a question me ask you. So if you answer the question is right.
The mother know him good, you know.
Okay.
They can't ask
me go up with him for my little, me go up with him when me a little boy, and me used to go over to church, go pick him mango and the orange and he used to run with him fast like bullet them time.
Like honestly, I can't wait till what should be done because like it's draining.
Yeah, it's draining and I want the truth to come out and I want if it done. And don't forget Roger in your thought or when you got your bed. Roger did a look for you all over the place. Don't forget to charge him.
Anybody here somebody say Roger says something alright. Look, anybody up on the live and hear it? When say when I do to Petergaye? Me don't know if I true, somebody just text it. Me don't know if I true, me get a screen record.
Anything you want to do, when you catch me, do it.
Me no know why me here to
say. Me beg if you stay off in media, Petergaye. Why you go over Roger?
You know you ready to dirty boy over there say what me say for 1 minute, say what happened to me for what happened to me. And I lie.
No worry about that. That's all the media telling things.
If I suffer make money, me now go make money so. Me must click live and come out. Me not have to have no. Me can't go make money myself. When this thing become about money. Me a girl who used to hungry. Me can't be hungry. Me can't hold me.
No follow the media. If liar them,
you know me, somebody inbox me and said to me, say they want to give me something, and me tell them to reach out to Sky Macy or TikTok Live. Me they want money. Me don't tell them to send me come give me.
Exactly.
This thing is not about no money. Somebody can come out and be honest and just start their story and talk it through and no money no come into play. Me now go call him Batman because me don't know if him a know Batman. Me now go call him that. But like how him said this about me think say me can't tell him to go suck him. Because I can't want woman give birth to him. If you don't know the story, alright, you see what me I say, listen to me. You see, if Alex was really his friend, Alex would have tell him the truth. Alex would have sit him down and tell him the truth.
Alex,
you not do your research? Of course, Alex would have tell him, Mama.
You don't know him. Them another one phone up on the internet. You might have a friend.
Listen,
Marsha, baby,
him can't say he don't know me. The people them over there and the people them ask him say, ask me which shop me go. And me tell him which shop me go and him just go there. So him just go there and he don't know me. He don't know the shop.
And you never call a man. And by the way, now you call the name. And he call you and ask you where the shop where that come from. When Jabas grape you where name and you tell me. I'm call out the name of a mother life and he go to the woman's son. Me never call the woman's son pan the life. I call the mother name when the shop at the time. Oh, Jabas could have.
Oh, we just go there. And then the man operate the shop now. So you just get up and go there. Make it make sense. Sit down now and looking at me. No want nobody believes me. Leave me alone. Leave me on my story. And 9 years me I carry for. If me carry 9 more, I will until he get justice. Come on, man.
Well,
it's a rough case, so that's why people take it that way. You see me as man, let me tell you something. Me believe you, and me I help you to fight because me know people around me who go through that same situation. I'm gonna tell you something. If you wait for the state to help you, it's not gonna done. You have to always remember you're gonna need a lawyer to go find paperwork for you, because if you wait for the state, it's gonna take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. But when you have a lawyer, which is not a legal aid lawyer, what gonna happen? They're gonna go find paperwork for you, and the case is gonna go faster than when you use a legal aid lawyer. Take it from me, because I know somebody who will go similar things happen. No knife cut up on none of them things, but the state did not take too long, and once the lawyer step in, a quick, bam, 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 bam.
You not go like that no more. You not go like that no more. Circuit have certain time of year when they keep and them case get the date. Them not go like that no more. Everybody have to wait for them date. Them revamp the justice system in a certain way. Because you have to go to the magistrate first and collect all of the evidence and go through all of the pre-trial and everything. And then after that, now they're going to rearrest him and charge him. We then get bail, yes or no, and then him go a circuit. When you go a circuit, it can take 1 month, 1 week. It depends.
You don't get bail. Listen, you don't get bail in Jamaica when you have 2 rape charge in the process. You don't get bail. Everybody's supposed to know that. If you have one, I go on and I get another.
But I'm just telling you. I just show you say. But
okay.
if this happen again, there's no bail for him. In gone.
Me did suggest the lawyer, but TikTok lawyer didn't say that necessary.
The government prosecutor is going to represent Petergaye.
No, yes, but it take lawyer. Maybe you left out Jamaica too long.
No, but the government prosecutor, them people them tell already. Hammer, everything was explained already. We don't have to say no certain things.
Okay,
everything was explained already. We don't have to say.
All right, put a backup
lawyer. Everything. The lawyer can only for press conference for certain things, but the lawyer cannot tell the government what to do. No, they can't. They cannot. She don't need a lawyer. The lawyer cannot tell that if she gonna do one like a lawsuit or something. Otherwise, from that, yeah. But the lawyer can't tell the government prosecutor what to do.
Okay.
No, it can't move it ahead no faster. Circuit is going on now until September. Then break, then they come back next year again. I saw it ago. Nana, so how you not think it ago? No. Nobody now can go in a court with her. There's no lawyer to go in court with her. The lawyer can't tell her what to say because the government and the defense are going to say the lawyer is coaching her. She can't have a lawyer, but it can't make the case be any better. You now go say make a government and the government I represent her. Them explain to her already. Them explain everything how it go. And the government I represent her. Just like over here when we go to court, the government when you're the victim and the government represent you. Like come on, like no, you know, and I say go to Jamaica. If she bring a lawsuit against him, or if she go in a like, you know, talk in a public and then you don't want divulge certain information, the lawyer would be there to say, listen, this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do. You understand?
Yeah, but I would have rather she have some backup plan.
Me suggest one lawyer about TikTok.
I have it. I rather
Listen, like everything have to divulge, people. Like everything have to divulge. You're not gonna say one thing, this, that. Then you go hear
No, but what
that
I'm
person,
saying-
your lawyer.
Like how we are as a representative, and we all are talking.
No, she don't need no. We're not gonna talk about she need lawyer when they cross-examine her. You don't know how court got people. The prosecutor is there to protect her.
You don't watch the comment section. We are talking so as
No, the prosecutor is there to protect her. The burden of proof is on the defense. The prosecutor is there to protect her and prove what she is saying is correct. The prosecutor don't need no lawyer can cross-examine her. We're not talking. Even if she have a lawyer, must go stand on the galley and just listen like everybody else. What are you talking about?
That's how we run in Jamaica. That's how we run in Jamaica.
Yes, the lawyer can't still tell her nothing in a court when she go in a court. No, the prosecutor have to sit down at the back. The lawyer have to sit down. The say she don't need one lawyer. They have a prosecutor. That's what the government prosecutor. That's the government's lawyer. I say so, like in America.
So what become of the part of the attempted unaliving?
No, we don't know. When she go on and tell her what are the charges and all of that, we know them will tell her everything. When you don't hear the charges, you're not gonna hear everything. The government is there to protect her. Just like in America, you have the DA and all of that are the same thing. Which victim you see go before the court and bring one lawyer? Even if they have a personal lawyer, they must stand in the back and wait. There's nothing they could do. Is the government of Jamaica versus Jabas? Is the government of Jamaica versus Jabas? And a Petergaye, when you go in and a Petergaye versus Jabas, you know, is the government of Jamaica versus Jabas. That's what you're not gonna realize. And then she I gonna be a witness for the government of Jamaica, basically. The victim I go talk, and then the defense I go cross-examine her.
Okay.
It's not Petergaye. When you go a circuit is like when we go to the federal court. When you say United States versus P. Diddy.
Okay.
Yeah. They have to understand no lawyer can tell her what to do. Them can only explain certain things to her.
What on that?
Can't tell her what to do. Come on, find media, go watch a movie, eat something and relax.
Dan, it look like say better I come stay with you all day time. I come over here so I get 500 kind. I'm go buy other people in page and they come
they don't like you.
3 kind. They don't like me.
They don't like you. They see a mix up.
Like you know, you see all dirty raga can't go away.
If Daddy say Petergaye have a kip, the Daddy say Petergaye have a rape kit and Petergaye have a screwdriver.
Yes, and she have Jabba's penis too.
I have a screwdriver.
And she have Jabba's penis too.
Come like Uncle Panda.
Right, Jabba's penis. We're gonna write that tonight. And she have Jabba's penis too.
We have Jabba's penis too. Cause everything we say to fabricate what we say. Tell them to say we have Jabba's
because
penis
why
too.
Jabba's, you know? Because that's why I tell us say Jabba's now go to court now because the girl not the sister now go to court with him now because them in a pre-trial. They might collect all of the evidence to bring it to the circuit.
But what a boy wicked, man? You mean say you back up your sister for wicked backers? How you live with yourself? How you live with yourself?
If the dolly they done so, I don't know what. I say the dunsest dolly that me ever see.
Sister, woman empowerment say that. Woman empowerment where? I don't know Petergaye. I am a vendetta where you want down and lawyer. Everybody have make you not give one victim justice. You're not go and hear out the victim. You're not even say me sit that one out and see how it play out.
You can get court records online at Jamaica now, you know.
You can get court paper online at Jamaica?
Yeah, if you know what the
case is. She said Sky Diamond, when Sky Diamond attack. Petergaye mute, and when Petergaye attack, Sky Diamond mute. And she
said that just now.
Life, me say it, you know.
When just now, when we came up and attack and Petergaye attack, and me the
she said when you attack, when Petergaye attack, you mute. And that she said on her life.
So I'm telling you, can never convince them.
Anything them want say, make them work with it. Me not prove nothing to no girl.
That's why I can never convince them.
Anything them want say, make them work with it. Petergaye, yes, what me I tell you. Yes,
you can't convince them.
Say, you can't prove anything to these
they believe what they want
persons on the media. They are defending a rapist.
And worst, Dan, you're involved and no, she not believe.
That's worse. You know, yeah, she said, in that film, I look for you what she say, Sky mute me while Petergaye talk. Me find the one where she say, one time him, I say Petergaye have a rape kit and a screwdriver.
Everybody have their personal vendetta about me, but them no side man news is real. One thing about me, I never tell a lie on a girl yet. Feel better than myself. Me deal with facts and receipt.
Sky Diamond, somebody tell me say the girl have a screwdriver at her house with her. I mean, I say, how that be possible?
Who says she have screwdriver at her house? That the girl a liar. And that people go and listen to them and I believe them nonsense. So what we are doing with the screwdriver, the doctor place them have the screwdriver or panty or something with the rape kit. The doctor them have it where she did go.
Alright, don't me tell the last time.
Go back.
No,
Dan, you tell liar last night.
Police station, Sky, not the doctor then, because I run with that one day. The police
station them, the people them have the rape kit. The police.
But I run with that one day, no, Sky, please. Don't bother me.
Yeah, let me correct it before they go tell lie for me. The people them, not Petergaye. The people them with the rape kit have the things them, not us.
Last time I tell them, so them I call it hospital and I look for the paperwork. And you hear them end up on one live, so then call the hospital everywhere. You hear them say what come out, go say it. So then call the place and ask for their name and stuff.
Because all them people, you know, all of them are getting
we don't have to prove nothing to the media now. We don't have to say nothing to the media now.
Yeah, yeah, she don't want nothing. She said, we don't go to Jabasi bar.
You don't own it. A Sheldon own lady. A Sheldon own.
Jabba's just the face of the bar. It's not Jabba's bar.
A Sheldon own it.
It's not Jabba's bar. He's just the face of the bar because he's popular on social media.
Them to control with liquor license. All right. We can ask you something. Somebody we have GUN charge. Can get liquor license in Jamaica?
Nope. Nope.
Somebody have what they charges? They have charges. Certain charges. They can't. Me don't know. Me ask. I don't know that part. Me ask.
She said the Sky them bad mind for bar.
I don't know, me
a bad mind. Somebody for a what? A bar?
People
a bar? Like really?
Bar at Jamaica. See,
like really? A bar? Sky Diamond of all perks?
You them say, they say no.
Them need to put a respect on my name.
Brother. I want to say a brother great part. I know she come and she talked to her the last night. So when I say this now going away, when I let go this and stop tiny shit. Stop it.
Yeah.
I just hold on there. At the bar where Javas and the lounge where Javas come in. The problem too. Because I just come with a big problem.
Hey, like me a business about nobody and them bar. Like honestly, I don't business about nobody and them bar. Me believe Petergaye believe in me believe in her. She tell me her story. Me tell her say me go help her get justice, and that's what I'm doing. I don't give a fuck about nobody and their accomplishment. So I have no reason to judge nobody of their accomplishment.
I went Bigfoot there. Anybody see Bigfoot for a man? Me see her on the Derrick back.
That one said she did be at jail for a couple hours. Because somebody tell me say them must have given probation or whatever. He said,
how can you tell with that?
Oh, we don't want to talk about them right now because them not really.
All right, next week.
Like, listen, guys, we don't need to leave my name and put a respect for my name because Sky Diamond News is real. Anything me company media can say about anybody that show me attack.
A Petergaye that's in her box or she in her box?
Maybe she not even know she in her box, but she.
Oh, can me say in a load properly?
Yeah, no load, but she in her box. As me say, me can't tell Petergaye where to do. Me tell Petergaye come on for the media, go watch a movie and relax. If she wants to see on the media, me can't tell her to leave. But right now, I want to stop dirty up my reputation because I have a reputation. You understand?
You're a stripper.
I'm a stripper with a reputation.
No,
I don't bring down woman and tell
stripper.
life on woman to feel better than myself. I have a reputation. Anything I say about nobody have facts. And if I have facts, I not company media can say it about you. Me a stripper with a reputation.
What you say?
Jada I look back Fabi and Fabi said she not the back with him.
Yeah,
the last night.
Yeah, they.
Back. Saying he's not comfortable with the one when in mind depending the other one said we.
Yeah, they. That spells. You know what that spell? LONELY.
Enough people take this to entertainment and not take this to a circus, you know. And to me, To me, it's just fucked up. Like real fuck up.
Listen, the only reason why people take it for circus is because of who it come from. That mean enough of them, sir. Hey, if I never them, you know.
That's the messenger.
Why would you take it for circus because it's the messenger? For sure, the people them not have no moral.
I know say so much enemy Rose have.
Them not have no moral. That means say if them daughter they come to me and then get grip and me talk about it, them that say I lie them daughter tell because them daughter come to me. They have no morals. They have nothing about them. If you're gonna think it's because of the messenger, that means that you have to disbelieve your child if your child come to me, lawyer or mother then. Or Rosalie, you have to disbelieve your own child then. If that's the reason why you disbelieve
Sky, they say you're Rosalie a war.
Me and Rosalie a war?
Yes, that's what the people them say. You and Rosalie a war, they might break up the camp because you and Rosalie start war there.
Guys, your friend here.
We need Britannica money. Our name and call it how much $1,000 for upon TikTok and tell us they are got Jamaica, but they go to BBL. We want Britannia money. Take off Britannia BBL money off of your body. We want Britannia money. Where is Britannica money? We need it. We need it. Where there? You have a problem with Britannia, man. What about the money that you collect? What about the thousand of money where you collect? You got to your body. We want it. Where is Britannia money? We want it. Dirty, hungry belly, nasty, blood clot, chronic girl. You could go to BBL.
A long time for that?
Where is Britannia money? Why do you take Britannia money?
But I'm a friend now, so that not really count. I'm a friend now.